In this video, you'll learn how to add events to your Notion calendar. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively organize your schedule and keep track of important dates. Notion offers a versatile platform for managing various types of information, including event planning. Begin by launching the Notion application or accessing it through your web browser. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the workspace where you want to add the calendar. If you do not have an existing calendar, you will need to create one. Click on the button that says Add a Page, located in the left sidebar. After you click Add a Page, a new page will open. Here you will see various options for different types of content. To create a calendar, select the calendar option from the menu. This will create a new calendar view in your workspace. You can give your calendar a name by clicking on the title area at the top of the page. Once your calendar is created, you will see a blank calendar layout. To add an event, locate the date on which you want to schedule the event. Click on the desired date and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can enter the event title in the designated fields. If necessary, you can also include additional details about the event, such as time, location, and any relevant notes. After filling in the event details, ensure that you review the information for accuracy. If you want to set the event to repeat, you can find the option to do so within the same pop-up window. Once you are satisfied with the information, click the Save button to add the event to your calendar. You will see the new event appear on the selected date, confirming that the event has been successfully added. If you have a large number of events, or if your calendar is already populated, consider utilizing the search function to quickly navigate through your events. Additionally, keep in mind that if you are adding several events at once, it may be beneficial to check your internet connection and ensure that your Notion application is up to date to avoid any potential syncing issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.